Here's a quick hack to instantly add colour to any sounds using your favourite delay plugin without actually adding any delay at all. In this example, we're going to be using Soundtoys Echoboy. Load it up on a sound of your choosing. First, we're going to turn the echo time down to 0 milliseconds and the wet mix to full. This will apply the full wet mix to your sound, but remove any echoes, as there is no determined time set. Make sure to keep feedback at 0 for this purpose as well. Many delay plugins will have style options. With the current settings, the delay plugin will simply apply the character of each style without actually adding any delay. Let me give you a few examples. We can also tweak other parameters within our delay, such as saturation. And at this stage, you can even experiment with feedback to create a chorus-like effect. Now listen to a before and after. Here it is in full context. For more pro tips, follow Zeverb and join our Discord community to connect with fellow music producers.